Happening now, opening statements and the likely first day of testimony in Karen Reed's highly anticipated retrial. The Bristol County woman is accused of backing into Boston police officer John O'Keefe with her SUV back in 2022. NBC 10's Katie Benoit was in the courtroom all morning and joins us live from Dedham with what attorneys from both sides had to say. Hey, Katie.
Hey, Barb, a jury of 18 has been sworn in for Karen Reed's second murder trial, and that selection process took 10 days. Now, the jurors heard from both sides this morning, the prosecution and the defense, for the first time. Now, take a look at Reed walking into court this morning. Her first trial ended in a mistrial last July right here in Dedham. Reed is still facing 3 charges, including second-degree murder and manslaughter while operating under the influence. She's accused of hitting John O'Keefe with her SUV and leaving him to die outside a Canton house party, but her defense claims she was framed and someone inside the home is responsible for her death. Special prosecutor Hank Brennan spent about an hour laying out the Commonwealth's case, claiming data will show what allegedly happened that night. Meanwhile, defense attorney Alan Jackson pointed out the law enforcement connections in this case and that the lead investigator, Michael Proctor, was fired.
There was a light dusting of snow. The Lexus tire spun backwards. She went backwards at least 70 feet. She clipped John O'Keefe. He fell backwards, hit his head, broke his skull.
There was no collision with John O'Keefe. There was no collision. There was no collision.
And now a number of motions were filed over the weekend. Some of those could be discussed later today. And we could also hear from the first witnesses in this case. There's 150 on the list. Live in Dedham, Katie Benoit, NBC 10 News.
Katie, thank you. And of course, you can watch the entire trial streaming live on the NBC 10 WJAR YouTube channel.